and it could be multiplied with the 4. So we'll get 4 into side, that will be the perimeter for any square. Similarly for rectangle, if you want to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, so as we know the rectangle, each their opposite sides are equal. That means this side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side. So what we have done, we have done that 2 plus L into B, that means length and breadth. First add the length and breadth and make it twice, because there are two length, this and this, there are two length and two breadth, 1 and 2. So this formula is also constructed on the same basis. So this will be the formula for rectangle, that 2 into bracket L plus B for any rectangle. Similarly, if you want to find out the triangle, so only for the equilateral triangle we can say that this formula is working, that 3 into side. Why? Because equilateral triangle is the only triangle who's having same sides. That means all the sides of a triangle are equal, that is equilateral triangle. But in spite of equilateral triangle, there are some different type of triangle also, scalene and some other triangles which do not have same size in their sides. So at that time we'll work on the basis of sum of all the sides. But here we can say that if you want to find out the parameter of an equilateral triangle, so you can say that 3 should be multiplied with the side. So this will be the perimeter for triangle. Now come to the next part, that is area. If you want to find out the area of any figure, so how we can find out? First we'll understand what is area. Now in the parameter we have seen that the outer layer of any figure was the perimeter, but what is area? The area that is occupy space. That means this, in the square I have mentioned that this is the part of area, the inner part of any figure, that is the area. See in the triangle also, similarly in the rectangle also. So how we can find out the area of given figures? Here are some formulas for the finding out the area. So area of square is what? If you want to find out the area of square, so we just have to multiply side into side. That will be the formula for area of any square. Similarly, if you want to find out the area of rectangle, so this will be the formula, that length should be multiplied with breadth, and that will be the area. Here I have taken an example. We'll find out both the things, what is perimeter and what is area.